If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, love, peace, and a whole lot more love with the peace. Dig it. Hey, I'm Larry. Welcome back to my channel. Been a long time, I know, but hey, rock on, brothers and sisters. I'm still here, I'm still alive, and I'm still grooving with the groove. Today, I'm going to talk about a pen that I really like the brand. The name of the pen is the Conklin pen. Yeah, you heard of Conklin. It's been around for God knows a long time. The Endura Deco Crest pen. You know, when I saw this pen come out a while back, I fell in love with it because I liked the way this pen looked. And it just had its own busting power of the way it looked, the way it was created. It just had all the kind of designs that make you want to say, wow, that's a cool looking pen. So, now this pen that Mr. B is laying on, I guess he fell asleep. What do you think, Jake?
I think you did.
Oh, poor guy. Okay, the Conklin is an orange gun metal Omni Flex. Yeah, you've heard and tried a lot of flex nibs, and some didn't do what you wanted them to do or what you expected them to do. So hopefully the new nibs that are coming out with the flex nibs for Conklin will do that job. Now, I got this pen. It could have been sometime early this year or last year, but tell you the God's truth, I actually forgot because of my health issues. But anyway, it's an acrylic resin. Even if you chose not to choose the Omni Flex, they still have the new nibs that are out. JOWO, number 6 nibs. Extra fine, medium, broad, and I believe stubs in there somewhere. But you can check Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper, and it'll give you the lowdown. So, let's look at the pen. I'm going to wake him up and hopefully he won't sting me. Be a good little bee. And here we go. Same pen case it always has come in, hadn't changed. Everything's identical, nice presentation, and there it is. Can we get a good close-up on that? Okay, now let me get the jewel out. Here is this beautiful pen. Can you see it real good?
That one just might disappear from your collection.
Wow. And, I mean, the pen speaks for itself, right? But pictures can't do it justice. You have to see it in person. Beautiful pen. Look at that sucker. It just screams, ink me up, which I will do in a minute. So, set this aside for a minute. In the box, you're going to get your booklet. On the pen. And you flip the bottom part and the secret compartment comes up. And it comes with 2 Conklin cartridge you can use in your pen if you choose that's what you want. And it's got all the goodies in here. And it's got all your inks from a good old bitty bitty Conklin. And there's some pretty nice inks. And they also tell you about these great looking cool dynamite nibs. Hey, you a nib person, you like to change out the different nibs, try different nibs, check it out. And of course, your warranty. So, I think you're getting a lot of pen for the buck. If you're wondering where you can find these inks at, again, check out Twizzler's Pens and Paper. He'll fix you up real quick. So, let's get down to the nitty gritty. And we're going to do some ink. Let me see here. That's going to be the problem, the ink. La la la. Okay, Mr. Announcer, would you like to announce that?
This is Federalist Pens and Paper, and from them we get Noodler's Rabal Red.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Ah, and before I forget, this beautiful pen that you're seeing with a resin in the middle, screw cap, it's got the standard international short cartridge, or you can use the standard long cartridge converter. Look at that beautiful pen. Gorgeous. And it posts just like you see it right here, 6.49 inches. The overall body weight going to weigh in 47.8 G's. And it holds 1.57 mils in the cartridge. Now, the converter is 0.99 overall. So there you have it. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty. La 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 la. Okay, so here we go. The cap. Made that way, you just twist and it comes off. Okay, look at that beautiful black nib. Got it? And let me check one more thing. Yeah, it does have the Conklin Toledo USA on the nib. And this nib, I need to retract what I first said about the nib, about the Flex, OmniFlex. This has the broad nib. Because I think that's what I asked for, and they changed out the nib for me. So forgive me. And again, we're going to put the screw back on, and bam. Just look at that thing. And on the bottom, and it does have the Endura deco crest on it. Beautiful. Just look at the pen. Okay, put your tongues back in. This is my pen. Here we go. Yeah, it's been a while, so let's get started. Now, we're going to twist the barrel off and get to it. Here's a nice size converter that comes with the pen. And remember, this is a twist in and twist out converter. Don't be trying to pull it out, okay? And the nib, if you want to change nibs, if you want to get a different nib, it's cool, you can. Because you can just twist it out, but make sure, excuse me, you hold your finger just right on it, because you don't want to mess up your beautiful pen, and the beautiful nib comes right out. All right, we're going to put it back in, and I'm thinking we'll go with the Noodler's Red. Alright, here we go. Have fun with the Wolfman. Let's see what I can do here. Okay. Ink it up, baby. And I need to close this up before I spill it, which I'm very good at doing. Okay, I'm going to let a few drops go out to get it ready. And here we go. There we go. All right. I hope you're still with me and watching and just thinking, nah, yes, I don't know. Well, if you need any more help or input, give Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper a call, and the man will tell you all you need to know. And that's how it rolls. Now, I'm going to use this brand new book, and Mr. Announcer can do the honors.
It is the Logical Swing Notebook.
Right, it's the B5. It's 179 by 252 M's. So, Japanese made paper. I'm going to tell you now, I bet you it's pretty good. Look at the inside. Nice notebook. Okay. On one side you can look at it, and if you can read Japanese, more power to you. I can't. But in the inside it has the date, it has lines, boxes, so you can make this into your own personal planner if you want. And I believe this may have come from Federalist Pens and Paper. Now the question is, do they still carry it? That's the thing. You know, they carry brands for so long, and then they rotate, move on to a different one. So, let's see how this lets you. Oh, forgot one thing. It's going to post. It screws on to the back, okay? And it's ready to rock and roll, baby. All right. And today is May. Look at that beautiful ink. Love it.
Is that a broad nib?
Uh-huh. Broad nib. Wow. Love the ink. Noodlers be rocking with the right color ink, and Conklin be rocking with the right kind of nib, baby. All right. Conklin. All right. Conklin, baby. So, that's the Malibu or Chickaloo.
Rabal, I think I'm not sure of the pronunciation.
Beats me. Or is it Valentine? Yeah, I think oh, okay, this comes from this one here. All righty, here we go. Getting back on the flip-flop. Yeah. I'm loving this pen, for real. I'm loving this ink, for real. Look at that, nice and wet. So, Lazy dog. All right, now reverse. Got it from here to there. And that was reverse writing. Pretty good, eh? Let's go wet. How wet is this pen? Wet enough. Let's check it down the other side. And this is what it looks like on the other side. You do have some bleed through and some see-through. But overall, I love the paper, how it feels. Now you could probably use a different ink and try it and see how that works. But you know, this nib just pours out the love of the pen. Love, baby. Doesn't skip a beat. Alright, Pen Boutique. Bam! Right here. People have been curious and wonder about this certain brand of pen case. It's called the Yak. Get a real good close in from the back. And incredible. Why am I saying this? Because it feels amazing. It looks amazing because it is amazing. Let's get that going on. This, my friends, quality at a real good, decent price. It's your money. Spend it wisely. If you don't think it is, okay, remember, I said the Yak rules, baby. And I'm going to put this pen in here just because I can. Securely. I put that Conklin in here, right in the back. And I'll leave it like that. And last but not least, the cowboy, like a love, says to you, peace and love there, partner. Take care. Let me rock your show. Thank you for joining me on Larry's Fountain Pens, and I hope to see you again. Send me a lot of love. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Leave your comments, whatever. Make a face. See ya.